My name is Đức Vinh, and today I'm going to unbox this Rubik's Cube. So let's cut this. Why is this so hard? Let's see. Do anybody know why it's hollow here? And why do we need this? What? Ah, that's a shortcut. I discovered a new way of unboxing. Okay. Whoa, that's a sign of a good cube. What? Why is this sandy? Why is this look like made out of sand? Let's try a teapot. Well, let's see the corner cutting. 45 degrees? No. Yes. Reverse. Well, the reverse corner cutting is not good. But why is this sand? Oh, no. It needs to be break down. It's like a cube is not perfect out of the box. You need to use it sometimes. Not to get used to it, but like move it up. Checkerboard. Wait. Dot pattern. Yeah, do you know the dot pattern? Look at this. It looks amazing. You enjoy this video, and if you like it, and please hit the subscribe button. The next video I'm going to show you how to solve the 3x3 cube, and I'm going to teaching you using the cube that I just unboxed. Bye bye.